Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming your iPhone 15 has enough storage and the latest iOS. This avoids interruptions. Next, open the camera app and immediately switch to portrait mode. Swipe or tap the label. Choose the lens. Use 1x for broader scenes and better depth, or 2x to tighten composition. Keep the subject within the on-screen distance guide so depth maps work. Once done, stabilize your stance. This reduces blur and helps the iPhone compute accurate bokeh. You now compose the shot, placing your subject where the depth sensor reads clear edges. This improves separation. Tap the subject to lock focus and exposure, then swipe up or down to fine-tune brightness. This preserves highlights. If light is low, enable night mode or use flash sparingly because artificial light can flatten depth. Once you're happy, hold steady and press the shutter. The iPhone merges multiple frames to create natural bokeh while preserving subject detail. You finish by opening photos and tapping Edit to refine portrait lighting, crop, and the depth slider. This changes background blur after capture. Use portrait lighting options to modify highlights and shadows for a more natural result. Save a copy so you keep the original. If edges look wrong, try toggling live photo off and reshoot, move slightly for better separation, or retake with different lighting. This fixes most depth map errors quickly and reliably.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.